Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9. Hope you find by the grace of Almighty Ali Muhammad Ashraf, teacher by High School Magan. Hope you will be enjoying in your homes. Stay safe in your homes and put on masks and do not hair and ear unnecessary. क्योंकि कोरोना वेव से बड़ा एक्सट्रीम आज स्ट्रेंथ ज़्यादा टफ मौका जामु तस पे एहतियात करूँ घर मज़े यून पाऊँ तो unnecessary न for your nerve key and frequently wash your hands. Dear students, first chapter of your physics toughness for us in the the video lectures. So other mode and today we are starting for elements mode. We study motion. Toughness for us of body. A body is said to be in motion. If it changes its position with respect to surroundings and with respect to time. Of body change, say body A. If you get that from this point to this point, pata, in 5 kilometer. So in position change and it has covered a distance of 5 meters. वो funny position yet back in start to if you put chapter after calculate करा with respect to the time no say it like 10 minutes it changes its position from this point to this point and we say the body was in motion or it changes its position with respect to surrounding and with respect to time. Dear students, what for a stopness motion, as for uniform motion, non-uniform motion, velocity, speed for us, uniform speed, non-uniform speed, this velocity, uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, acceleration, retardation, and finally as per uniform circular motion. This is the idea for. So to start the second chapter, you must be knowing the first chapter. Then it's very concept is clear. After stage about good clear. Finally, as different the relation between different physical quantities in the form of equations of motion. First for this chapter also conclude your course syllabus. The finally exercise is called type. So in case of a toughness, a problem, you have already my phone number in my group, and also personally you can contact me at any time. We said our chapter that today what we have to study that is force and effects of force. This is the second chapter of your physics term 1. Motion for as a body gui position change type. But S को type you को S कहीं type he can be changed. Gui can say change. Go S ये करूँ what causes the change? What was the cause of change? वो body चाहे retarded के acceleration के साथ कम acceleration retardation के साथ velocity कुछ rest में आया motion में आया मगर किन चीज़ों को that prompted यानी किन चीज़ से आया motion में switch as found, the body has been changed, good can change. What is the responsible? We have to study here in physics, in terms of physics. What is the responsible thing for that motion? Kuch cheez. First is found or that is force. Before it's called defined force, what is it? Again, if this board I have to move from this to that place, this point to that point. You board to cover over. Paane ke patni you to energy laga takat laga energy pani laga takat laga you yen position put your water. इसे कोई वारिया examples छु अगर ऐ समझा ये कम चीज छु कि से लॉकर छियरनस या कम से दो है या reach get आता है we have to push this push कर स्टार्ट करो और एक से push करें कि this is for example although it is not that thing action से की बने अलग इशू ये मुझे क्वेश्चन ये शायद stationary you tool बलागो या पर एक बोले कि the tool अक्सर लगो ही over इसे कोई dog example ये check बिल्कुल example this is our door, this is the our logic, this is door, I have to open it. What I will do? I have to pull it here, which is lumble. Now I have to close the door. What I will do? I have to push it. Best example here, it is one of the best examples, although we can have so many examples, but we have to, inside the room is available, it was going to begin with Pannu Bazaar. This is the door I have to open. Which cover door? Yeah. When you are open, I have to pull it, lumble. Pull means lumble. I have to close the door. What will do? I will push it. This one example, and another example is this is pen. I want this pen, yes. It comes down. But I am pushing it. And in turn, Earth pulls it. Why Earth pulls it? That we have discussed in gravitation. Still, we will give elements here about that. Another, there are so many examples. We should say very those areas very tough down to duck. It is duck down, sure. Sit touch so lakan so energy is sarf is karacha sich ta tem sich ta movement yani that tem motion means ever go doyo cheezon so ek position against object is change kare most not very changes but that what changes the position sich is kara suppose as very chapter na we get go the your is pull kara an object your is kara push then because any pull or push switch responsible, and that is responsible for the change of a position of an object. Whether the object will come in rest or whether the object will come in motion. Now, block example. This football players, football push to kick down football. Suppose gata, switch gata. Go ball. After go by you are this by kicking it, you are pushing the ball. Switch paka bro. Punishing ball paka bro. It is because of the application of energy. Application of energy. Energy ka dewa chu. To kick dewa chu. Switch reka. This switch paka bro. You wicket kata tak. But this ball. Paka is from this position to west, so it is west. Second estimate is earth. Earth of force apply that is force of friction. Force of friction that we have to study later in coming chapters. That opposes this because of force of friction. Sure, ये चीज काफी चीज in fact not only football, whatever obstacle is earth is motion. The earth that opposes that force of friction at time comes when this object comes to rest. This is the example there, and before I will define force. The example show this is bilkul sar way for story is we all want the kid to magic. Every in fact every when the fast bowler when he bowls at a very immense speed ball he pushes with that speed. Why his this energy lagawas push kara ball the batsman कैसा करा या करे ball लेके force करे duck immediately to which immediate करे zero off it like या करे skip hit that will be thrown out of the boundary. This is right. Yeah. दूसरी चीज की अगर signal ball करा force signal लगाओ या तो करा ताकि duck या तो लगाओ kick which ball never कुछ करा से pushes the ball. What he or ducks it or pushes batsman in return in a position. Go tell मतलब go वो क्या कर रहा है? जिससे pull करा push करा दो चीज या pull या push. Insert क्या करता है? Insert object is velocity का change, image position का change, after image position का change, speed का change, direction का change. किस point your example is with bowler ball kara chu ya koi kick dewa koi ball ya koi read dewa kick chu bowlers ball kara ya koi batsman is ball the opposite direction में kick toss kara अगर long on kick ya over the bowler head बिल्कुल तक at 180 में वापस kick करा Go because of that force you apply kara system speed te kara change spinner kara ball switch pat batsman of system for jump force laga after kara speed te change based direction te kara change nutrition ki ways to application of force share you force should pat punjai object shape te change kara we use pull or push kara show go almost elaborate example in my you still cheese that will pull, push, stopping, friction, or you stress these we call in physics that called force. Go you see cheese a thing responsible. That thing is responsible to speed up to this the motion of an object, the motion around when an object will come in motion, the thing the force responsible, the thing responsible for a body that is invested to come in motion. Agar a stationary body, when there is stationary body, that stationary body will come into this motion. The thing responsible for that is force. What is force now? We define any pull or push that changes the position speed or shape of an object, such as a force. Any pull or push that changes position, it can change the speed, it can change the shape of an object, that is force. Or we can say any pull or push that brings a stationary body in motion or a moving body in rest. What is the force? Unit is force. Here is the force. Here is the body is position can change, speed can change, it has to shape it can change. See, we should this is paper. Back in the shape by this application force, I will crumble it. Crumble means because of mint. Because of the application of force, now I have changed its shape also. Any pull or push that brings that is force, which in the shape can change. It can change. It is change its shape, position or speed. That we call in physics we call that force. Or any pull or push that brings the stationary body. When there is stationary body, say this is stationary body. This our now this is rest. Now because of a pulling, it has come in motion. Because of a pushing, it has come in motion. Because of a push, it has come in. So many bodies or there or a moving body. That way a moving body. Agar ka ball moving body. See this is because or that one which is moving which is big on force apply. Because of that moving do थोड़ा moving करा चल. Because of the application of my force, yes, it can do. This we call as force. But any pull or push that brings stationary body in motion or a moving body in rest. अगर fielder और batsman kick ball करा चल, batsman hit the ball. Fielder to by the application of his hands of force, something will stop catch करा. वो by the application of a moving ball, the moving ball which is still moving out of the ground, that because of the application of force by this fielder, that ball comes in rest. Any moving balls come that will come into rest. That any pull or push that brings a stationary body or rigid body because of application force, it will come in motion. Or a moving body, say ball, that because of application force that will come in rest. That we call as force. But still, one example to use because you have to application of force applied as sure. This was introduction about force and introduction. So many examples. Tomorrow we shall study the effect. Force is not the same or its effect is helpful. Tomorrow study.